Good morning, first graders. It is Tuesday and we are going to start math today. I'm going to share our screen so we can get started. All right, like Miss Winkler said, today is Tuesday, and on Tuesdays we get to learn math. Let's go ahead and start with our morning greeting. Let's go through our choices. We have a high five, a fist bump, a hug, a handshake, or just to say hello. I'm going to give you 5 seconds to think about what you want, and then when I say go, you're going to do your morning greeting through the computer. Go. All right, good morning, friends. Now we're going to talk about how we're feeling today. Today is Tuesday and I am at ease. I'm at ease because I am happy to be teaching you again, and I feel like, I feel like things are getting more normal. When I say go, you're going to point to where you're on the mood meter. Go. All right, good job, friends. I hope you're happy and calm this morning, but if you're sad and lonely, know that your friends and family are there to help you make it better. Remember, when we are online learning, it is the same as when we are in class. We do it right or we do it again. Say it with me. We do it right or? Very good. All right. Like I said, today is Tuesday, and so we are going to read our morning message. Repeat after me. Good morning, friends. Today is Tuesday, April 14th, 2020. Today we are going to do our first math lesson. Before spring break, we were learning how to do double-digit addition. We are going to learn more today. What is your favorite double-digit number? Mine is 13. Let's have a great day. Love, Miss Winkler. All right, friends, in our morning message, I asked you what your favorite number is. Your favorite double-digit number, which means that there's a number in the tens on the ones place and a number in the tens place. Think about it, and when I say go, you're going to scream your number to your computer. That means you can use a very loud voice. Go. 13. Oh, I heard some numbers like 20 and 12 and 7. Not 7, silly boys and girls. 7 isn't a double-digit number. You have to have a number in the tens place and in the ones place. So you could say 17. Good job catching your thinking. All right, let's go over our schedule for today. You've already had breakfast. You went on to Canvas and checked to see what you were supposed to do today. If you were in my first small group, you've already learned for the day. And now you're getting ready to watch a math video because today is Tuesday. Then you're going to have lunch and specials. And then the rest of my small groups get to eat with me this afternoon. After you've finished your small group, you get to go on PathBlazer. And then if you need help with any of your work, you can call me or text me. Have your parents do that from 1:10 to 3:30. And if you forgot in your small group, it is over here. All right. Now, what are we learning today? It is a math lesson, so we are going to warm up with our counting robot like we always do. Before spring break, we started playing flash numbers, and we're going to play that today. We're going to do our lesson on double-digit addition, and then just like we do in class, you're going to have a worksheet that you work on your own. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to press play on the counting robot, and you're going to do it with me. Ready? Counting robot, I'm a counting robot, counting robot. Remember, we're going to start counting by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. I'm a counting robot, counting robot. I'm a counting robot, counting robot. Now we're counting by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. I'm a counting robot, counting robot. I'm a counting robot, counting robot. Now we're counting by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Very good, first graders. That is the end of our counting robot. Now we're going to play our flash game. So you've warmed up your brain with counting. Now you're going to recognize numbers. All right. We are going to be working with 10 frames today. How this game is going to work is you're going to look at the number. You're going to yell it to your computer. And I'm going to help you, and I'm going to enter the number to see if it's right. I heard friends say 5. Let's see if we're right. Thank goodness we're right. What number is this, friends? Very good. It is 2. Oh, it's going to get faster. What number is this again? I heard friends say 2. Friends said 4. Let's see if we're right. What number is this, everyone? Good, it is 1. Ooh, this one's more tricky. I heard friends say 7. Let's see if we're right. Another easy one. What is it, friends? Okay, 5. Ooh, this is full. A full tens frame makes what number? Good, 10. All right, friends, we got them all right and none wrong. That tells me tomorrow I need to make our game harder because we're such smart first graders. Kiss your smart first grade brain. Very good. All right, we warmed up our brains with our counting number robot video. We warmed up our brains by looking at tens frames. Now we're ready to start learning. Let's read our I can statement. I can add 2 double-digit numbers together vertically. Everyone say vertically. Vertically means up and down. Everyone say up and down. Good. So we're no longer learning to add a cross. Now we're going up and down. Let's see what this looks like. Before spring break, you learned to take 45 plus 26 and flip it so it's up and down. Now, the good news, the good news today, first graders, is you no longer have to flip your problems to be vertically because it's already done for you. So, we're going to practice with this first problem. Ms. Winkler is going to stop sharing her computer screen so we can practice on her easel. Now you should be able to see Ms. Winkler's big board. All right, first graders, thank you for waiting so patiently for Ms. Winkler to get her board. Okay, here's what we're going to do. We're going to skip number 1 Because even though they're lined up correctly, you don't know how to add 5 plus 6 and carry it over. So we're going to draw a big X through it, and we're going to move on to number 2. Now, the first thing we always do when we're adding double-digit numbers is we draw a line between the tens and the ones. This is going to help us focus on one group of numbers at a time. Now, I always start with my ones place, which is over here. And I've got to think to myself, what is 2 plus 6? I could use my fingers or I could draw circles. I'm going to draw circles to help us on this first one. Ready? 1, 2. And then I have to draw 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have my drawing. Now I can count. Count with me. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 plus 6 equals 8. Very good. And I write it down here. Now, am I finished with this side? Yeah, very good. I am. And now I can go on to my tens place. Do I have a number right here? No. Okay, that means it's a 0. So 2 plus 0. I'm going to draw my circles again to help me. How many circles do I need here? Just 2? Okay. Do I need any circles here? No. Okay. So 2 plus 0 is 2. 22 plus 6 is 28. Very good, first graders. Let's do another one. My first step is to draw a line between my tens and my ones. Now I start with my ones. I'm not going to draw circles for this problem because I know that any number plus 0 is that number. So 0 plus 8 equals 8. Very good. Ooh, Miss Winkler's writing needs some work. Then I go to my tens place. 2 plus 1. You can use your fingers, you can draw circles, or you can just know it. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So 20 plus 18 equals 38. Very good. Let's do one more together. I have the numbers 12 and I have the number 13. Let's go ahead. First thing I do is draw a line. Very good. Now I start with my ones place. Very good. 2 plus 3 is what, friends? Yell it out. I heard friends say 5. 2 plus 3 does equal 5. I'm finished with my ones place. Now I go down to my tens place. 1 plus 1. I can use my fingers, I can use my brain, or I can use my circles. I know 1 plus 1 equals 2. So 1 plus 1 equals 2. And I write it below. Now I know that 12 plus 13 equals 25. All right, let's review what we did. Step 1. Everyone say step 1. Draw a line. Step 2. Start at the ones place. And then step 3, finish adding. All right, let's read these together so that I know all my first graders know how to do double-digit addition. Step 1, draw a line. And remember, you do it between the tens and the ones place. Step 2, start at the ones place. Is this my ones place or is this my ones place? Good job, friends. This is my ones place. Step 3, finish adding. Very good. All right, first graders, let me share my screen again so that you can see what you're going to work on now that we've learned together. All right, we did all of these problems together, and now it's time for you to work on your own. In your packet I gave you, you have a worksheet titled Worksheet Number 3. Everyone say worksheet number 3. Good. So you're going to get out your packet. You're going to flip to the math page just like Miss Winkler's doing. It's going to be your second section. And you're going to find the worksheet titled Worksheet Number 3. You're going to do all the problems. How many problems are you going to do? All of the problems. Good. It looks like this. When you finish it, you need to text a picture to Miss Winkler. So you're going to have to ask your parents for help. I want you to text me the picture so I can see how hard you worked. All right, I know you all are super smart first graders. You are super smart mathematicians, and you are going to rock double-digit addition. I can't wait to see your hard work, and I will see you tomorrow for another lesson. Bye, friends.